Hey, it's Richie with Raw Tactics. Welcome to the Junkyard, aka my garage. Also, thank you so much for subscribing to the YouTube channel, liking the videos, and overall just spending a portion of your day with us. I greatly appreciate it. Now, on the other end of Raw Tactics is our in-person training, all of which can be found on our website, rawtactics.com. Now, we're based in Las Vegas, Nevada, but our training classes do extend to other cities and states throughout the nation. And you can find all that information once again on the website, rawtactics.com. Now, what I want to show you is a quick sneak peek of a CQB class that's coming to a city near you. Stay safe.